Hello, welcome to Las Vegas Bus Sales. My name is James, and today I'll be showing you a 2010 Bluebird All-American. Let's take a look. Alright, once again, Bluebird All-American. This is a fantastic bus, clean inside and out. It's powered by the Cummins ISC diesel engine. It is paired with a 5-speed Allison automatic transmission. Pretty good on the miles as well, sitting at about 75,000 miles. Lots of life left in it. Show you some tires. All around the tires are still in good shape. Say about 50% tread all the way around. They were outfitted with the stainless steel wheel inserts. For the windows, it's equipped with these school bus style drop down windows. They do have a little tint on them. The bus is equipped with a rooftop AC system. It does also have heat. Got the battery compartment there on the driver's side. At the rear we have that ISC diesel engine. Let's see if I can open this up here with one hand. Bus is running great. Again, I can't say it enough. It's very, very clean. Show you the side here. I didn't see any major damage. Didn't even hardly see very much scratching. The paint looks good. It's an awesome bus. A lot of different uses. It could be a great conversion candidate. Could be used for employee transport, maybe a church. Go ahead and take a look at the inside. It is equipped with the air actuated bifold doors. The step tread coming in looks fantastic. White step nosing is in place. You have your entry grab rails. And this is going to be a gray rubber flooring with ribbed aisle. I don't think I mentioned it. This is a 44-seater. Does have high back seats. All the seating's in great shape. I didn't see any rips or tears. Overhead lighting, all working. We've got 2 evaporators, one up front here, one at the back. 2 overhead emergency exits. Got 1 rear window there. Go ahead and take a look at the driver's area. Driver's seat is in great shape, no rips or tears. Got all your controls up front. This does have an AM, FM, CD stereo. There's some controls for your rear AC. Allison shift pad. And again, mileage on this is pretty low, 73,971. Just a great bus. It doesn't have any rust on it. This will definitely be a great value. Alright, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video on our 2010 Bluebird All-American. If you're interested in this or any of the buses on your lot, give us a call at 877-456-9804. You can view our full inventory at LasVegasBusSales.com. You can also email us at sales@LasVegasBusSales.com. Thank you again for watching.